Hello, I am Dr. Chandrika Shekhar, working as an obstetrician and gynecologist at Chirag Hospital, Bangalore, JP Nagar, second phase. I am also a visiting consultant, Malti Manipal Hospital in 9th block, Jayanagar, then Apollo Cradle Hospital in 5th block, Jayanagar, and Motherhood Hospital in Banashankari, second stage, as also Aster RV Hospital in JP Nagar, first phase. Well, copper T, whether it is safe to use, it is the need of the hour. See, when a lady cannot be always delivering. When she doesn't want to deliver, she has to have some contraception. The easiest, one of the very easy method is copper T. Because in copper T, we have put the copper T and it is inside the uterus, and there is nothing to do when you have your act of intercourse. See, because other things, example condoms. Condoms, the time of intercourse you have to remember and you have to wear the condoms. If you don't wear, then you will land in accidental pregnancies. So copper T is in that way very easy because it is always there inside, and when you are having the intercourse, you are protected from pregnancy. But one more thing is copper T cannot be used for everybody. See, we have to take the history of the patient and then we will decide whether she is fit for copper T or not. One thing is, some people will have very heavy menstrual period. For such people, we do not advise copper T because copper T, one of the side effects is heavy menstrual periods. People who are having very scanty periods, for them I tell them to put copper T. So one thing is, copper T is a foreign body inside, and usually it has the side effects of increasing the menstrual flow. And so many people are depressed if they have a very scanty flow. For such people, it is a natural way of taking over the scanty periods and they'll start having a normal flow. So depending on the individual, we have to assess them by their history, by their examination, then we have to decide whether we can use the copper T. So in copper Ts also, nowadays we have got so many varieties. Copper T, there is copper inside that thing that we put into the uterus. So it has some benefits, like copper is a micronutrient that is essential for body, it can be used. And one more thing is that copper T, there is no need for anything for the female to do. She is protected once she is having the copper T. This is important in husbands who are not cooperative, because if the husbands are not cooperative, it is the lady who suffers with the unwanted pregnancy. So nowadays what they are doing is, in government hospitals, forcibly they are putting puerperal copper T when they are doing cesarean itself. When we open the uterus, naturally we put the copper T and then close the uterus. That is one copper T during labor only. So that is one thing. When we send her to house, she is protected from unwanted pregnancy. And there are so many people who do not allow their ladies to do any contraception. So that time the sufferer is the lady. So for them, such people also, copper T is a boon. So that they will be putting it when the husband will not know anything about it. So that time they are protected from unwanted childbirths. So these are the advantages of copper T, and the disadvantage, as I told you, if it is a heavy periods, we don't advise. So till now it was a problem for us what to do if it is a heavy periods and they want to use this intrauterine device. So now we have a gift in the medical fraternity, because we get a intrauterine device which releases slow amount of progesterone. That is intrauterine levonorgestrel system, it is called as. See, that is in the shape of a copper T itself, but it releases micro doses of progesterone, levonorgestrel. That micro dose will prevent them from getting excessive bleeding. This is one use. And one more thing is, so many people have severe pain during periods. So for such people also, when we use this intrauterine levonorgestrel system, that is also taken care of. We have seen that people who are wriggling with pain during periods, they get so good relief with this particular system, and they can also prevent unwanted pregnancy. Coming to benefits and side effects of copper T. As I told you earlier, major benefit is it is a very good system of contraception using of copper T. But side effects, there are side effects. One most important, I told you already, is heavy menstrual bleeding. One more thing is, if there is a copper T inside the uterus, it is a foreign body inside the uterus, and it will have one tag, that is one thread coming into the vagina. So this is one reason which can lead to uterine infection. That is one of the problems with intrauterine device. So that is one problem. So if a patient should understand that if they develop any type of discharge vaginally, or if they have any foul smell in the vagina, they have to meet the doctor, so that if it is an infection, we have to remove the copper T. The reason is, if we do not remove that, there will be a pathway for the infection to ascend from the vagina to the uterus easily. So if we make that infection ascend to the uterus, it is not just the uterus, it will again go to the fallopian tubes, that is the tubes by the side of the uterus. So if it goes to the fallopian tubes, it can permanently damage the fallopian tubes, and it can result in secondary infertility. That is, after they remove the copper T, they may not be able to conceive. So that these are all the side effects of having a copper T. But if you have a proper knowledge that what has to be done and when you should meet your doctor, these problems will not arise. So any problem is there, you meet your doctor and they'll take care of your problem properly and you will not land in any dangerous situations.